Okay, so we're looking at number 9, and it says on a $1 lottery ticket, Marty Smith's expected value is negative 40 cents. What is Marty's expected value if he purchases 3 lottery tickets? And so the expected value is how much he is expected to win, or in this case, lose, every time he plays. So if he's expecting to lose 40 cents every time he plays, if he plays 3 times, he's just going to lose 3 times that. So the answer is just 3 times negative 0.40 to get negative 120. So he's going to lose about $1.20 on average. Like if he played, yeah. Yep, so just as nice as that. So if we move on to 13, let's see. Blah, blah, blah. If Candace can play, the coach estimates that the volunteers will score 78 points. If Candace is not able to play, the coach estimates that she will score 62 points. The team doctor estimates that there's a 50% that she will play. So there's 2 possible outcomes, that she'll play or that she can't play. And if she plays, they're going to score 78. And if she doesn't play, they're going to score 62. So that's kind of your possibilities. And then P of X is the probability of each possibility. So the doctor says that there's a 50% possibility that she'll play, 50% possibility that she won't play, right? 50. They should add up to 1. All these should add up to 1. And to get your expected value, you're just multiplying these 2 together and adding them up. So if I do, so x times p of x, 78 times 0.50 is 39. 62 times 0.50 is 31. Add that line together, you get 70. And that should be your expected value. And just check it in the back. Yeah, looking good. So that's 13. Moving on to 17. Let's see. The Triple L Investment Club is considering purchasing a certain stock. After considerable research, the club members determined that there's a 60% chance of making $10,000, a 10% chance of breaking even, and a 30% chance of losing that much. Determine the expected value. So again, we're going to list out our possibilities and the probability of each possibility. So there's a 60% chance that we could make $10,000. So $10,000, there's a 60% chance of that. A 10% chance of breaking even. So if we break even, then our profit is 0. And there's a 10% chance of that. And a 30% chance of losing that amount. So we're going to say negative $7,200, and the chances of losing that is 30%. And you should always check these probabilities should add up to 100% because these are the only possible outcomes. So 0.6 plus 0.1 plus 0.3 does add up to 100%, so we're good. So we're just going to make x times p of x over here and just multiply these 2 guys together. So here we'll get 60, decimal first class, 6,000. Here, 0 times that, we just get 0. And I'll use the calculator because I'm lazy. We got 7200 times 0.3 is 2160. So for a grand total, just add them all up, 8160. And this is your expected value. You plan to come out ahead about $8,160. So let's just check, see if we're good. Which number was that? 17. Uh-oh. We have 3,840. Let's see what went wrong. This was 12, 4, 17. 0.6 times 10. 60% chance of making 10,000. 10% chance of breaking even. 30% chance of losing. Oh, I forgot the negative. Ha! Forgot the negative right there. So, that's going to change this 6,000 minus 2160. 6,000 minus 2160 is 3840. There we go. So, good thing we checked. So that's 17. And then 21, moving on to that one.